This is the Eufy Wired Cam C31, and this is Eufy's latest wire security camera, and in this video we're going to unbox it. Some of this camera's features are 1080p Full HD video recording, 360-degree pan and 17 degrees tilt, AI tracking for people, pets, and vehicles, full color night vision with pure color vision, 24/7 continuous recording, dual Wi-Fi antennas for stronger signal, indoors and outdoor use, and many more. The box is very small, and right off the bat we have the camera here. It comes wrapped in these plastic bags that have become very popular with a bunch of electronic devices. It also has a protective sticker on the front so that it doesn't arrive all scratched up. These things to the side are the antennas, and that's what makes this camera look like a cat. Right here's the port where the power supply goes plugged into the camera, and it is through USB-C. Right on the front you have a speaker because you can listen to audio through the camera and you can also talk through it. Here at the front, the things that look like eyes, one of them is the camera lens and the other one I believe to be a motion sensor. I know this camera also has a light, so must be somewhere mounted at the front as well. We got a quick guide, a Eufy security sticker, we have the power brick, and the power cable that you're going to use with that brick to power the camera. Now this camera does not have internal batteries, so it's always going to have to be plugged to the wall. Now we have some other miscellaneous papers here and the mounting base and nothing else. Within those miscellaneous papers, there's this white paper that I still haven't quite figured out what it's for. Thinking back now, I think it is for you to write your own design and put it on the front of the camera, because it also comes with these designs that are already printed for you, and you can just take them off and stick them to the front of the camera for it to look like any of these animals. You also get some screws if you want to mount this onto a wall using the provided mount. So then the camera will go onto the mount like this, and then you can drill this mount to the wall, and you can either put it facing down like that or just the normal position. Since I have a cat, I'm going to be using the cat eyes on the camera for it to look like its little brother, and I call that success. Well, there you have it. Now you know exactly what comes in the box with your camera. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and don't forget to clean 8-bit.